Yes. Now if we talk about the what? Literary devices which have been used. So first of all we talk about the rhyme scheme. So dear students, you can see that there is no rhyme scheme in this poem. It has written in a free verse. Free verse means जिसमें कोई rhyme scheme नहीं होती. तो ये पूरी poem free verse में लिखी गई है और इसमें किसी तरह का कोई rhyme scheme दिखाई नहीं देता है. Second is literary device that has been used is what? Enjambment. What do you understand by enjambment? You just note down the spelling. ENJAB ENGJAMB MENT. Enjambment. Enjambment means when a single sentence continues in 3 or 4 lines without any punctuation mark in the end. मीन्स कोई भी पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स नहीं होती और एक ही लाइन 2-3 लाइनों में कंटिन्यू होती है, एक ही सेंटेंस 2-3 लाइंस में कंटिन्यू होता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? एंजैबमेंट. सो हियर यू कैन सी दिस लाइन, इट ग्रोज स्लोली, इट हैज ग्रोन स्लोली कंज्यूमिंग अर्थ. 2 लाइन में ये एक ही सेंटेंस को लिखा गया है. अगेन, rising out of it, feeding upon its crust, absorbing years of light, and यानी कि ये सारे एक ही सेंटेंस को कई लाइनों में लिखा गया है. दैट इज कॉल्ड एंजैबमेंट. सो अगली जो नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ है वहां पे भी ये देखने को, स्टेंजा है वहां पे भी देखने को मिलेगा कि एंजैबमेंट को बहुत ज्यादा यूज किया है इसमें. आई जस्ट टेल यू. Yes. So hack and chop, but this alone will do it. Again, enjambment has been used. Not so much pain will do it. यहां तक ये अगली लाइन देखिए. The bleeding bark will heal and from close to the ground will rise curled green twigs, miniature bows, which is unchecked will expand again to former size. So in 4-5 lines के अंदर एक ही सेंटेंस को कंप्लीट किया गया है. दिस इज कॉल्ड एंजैबमेंट. नेक्स्ट इज मेटाफर. नेक्स्ट literary device that has been used, metaphor. What is metaphor? I have already told you that we compare or relate two things indirectly. That is called metaphor. So the first metaphor that you can see here, bleeding means blood, and it is when we cut the we have a scare mark or cut mark on a body of a person. What comes out? Blood. So and when we cut the tree, a kind of liquid comes out, that is called sap, right? So this sap, the liquid that comes out when we cut a tree, has been compared here with blood, right? Next is next metaphor that has been used here. So next metaphor that has been used here, what? That is leprous. Leprous means a person who is suffering from leprosy. जैसे एक कुष्ठ रोगी लेप्रोसी का जो मरीज होता है उसके पूरे शरीर पर जगह जगह चकत्ते होते हैं जिसका कोई कलर नहीं होता, कलरलेस डल टाइप की उसकी स्किन होती है और जगह जगह अलग अलग कलर की स्किन होती है, अलग अलग तरह के पैचेस देखने को मिलते हैं. द सेम थिंग हैपन्स ऑन द ट्री ट्रंक, यानी ट्री के तने के ऊपर दिखाई देता है. तो लेप्रस इज ऑल्सो अ metaphor that has been used here and has been compared with the skin of a leprous person. Yes, next literary device that has been used here is alliteration. Alliteration is a word. Alliteration is what? Alliteration is the repetition of a consonant sound in two or more consecutive words. टू और मोर कंजिक्यूटिव वर्ड, एक ही लाइन के अंदर किसी कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड, कॉन्सोनेंट यू नो, सो कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड अगर बार बार रिपीट हो रहा है तो दैट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? एलिटरेशन. हियर यू कैन सी इन सेकेंड स्टेंजा, दिस इज ब्लीडिंग, this b sound, and again that bark. Again if we go ahead, we see that white and wet, white and wet. So alliteration has been used here. Next is, next literary device that has been used here is repetition. Repetition means if we use any word again and again for emphasizing any fact, that is called repetition. Here you can see the word pulled out. In second last paragraph you can see pulled out, and it has been used here thrice. 3 बार इसको यूज किया गया है. This is called repetition. Listen. Or pulled out. Again in the previous paragraph you can see two times this word pull down has been used. Here you can see this is called repetition, pulled out. Again in this fourth line pulled out has been used. So these are all the literary devices which have been used in this poem. So this is the end of this poem, beta. I hope you understood, and if you have any doubt in any stanza, any word, you just ask me while the class. Thank you very much.